I love making Thai fish cakes, but I'm going to change it up a little by using some fresh prawns. And on top of that, I'm going to wrap it in phyllo pastry. Now first up, some spring onions, 3 spring onions that I'm going to roughly chop. So in they go. I'm using the dark part of the spring onion and the light part. And half of this chili, I'm going to leave the seeds in also, along with some coriander. And I'll use 2 of these sprigs, and again, just roughly chopping it, stalks and all. Okay, I'll pop the lid on and we'll quickly chop this before we add the prawns. Okay, that has been chopped up nicely so we can add our prawns. I've got 600 grams of prawns that I've deveined and peeled, and we'll just pop them in. It smells fantastic with all that chili and coriander. I like to add 1 egg white, so we'll place that in. And we'll just chop up the prawns first before we add some extra flavours. Okay, that is looking good, and this is the texture that we're after at this stage. See how it's just all mixed in with the coriander and the chili, and it's chopped up and quite sticky, just perfect. Now for an extra hit of flavour, some green curry paste, 1 tablespoon, that can go in. And for some seasoning, a splash of fish sauce, and then some soy sauce. Great. Now we're just going to pulse this one more time until it's just combined. All right, I'm happy with that. Smells fantastic. So for the phyllo pastry, bring it out of the fridge just an hour or 2 before you want to start using it. So we'll take it out of the pack and I'll just roll it out. We'll get our first piece of phyllo ready. Pop it on the other side of our board. Cover the rest of it. And now we need to brush this with butter. But to add some extra flavour to the butter, I'll add just a small splash of the soy sauce while I've got it here, about a teaspoon or so, and mix that into the butter. It's also going to help give us a lovely colour on our little phyllo triangles that we're going to be making. I like to use a big brush because it just makes it so much easier, a few strokes. And now I'll place another sheet of phyllo on top, and I'll continue this process so I have 5 bundles of 3. Now I'm going to cut them into 3 long strips, so we have 15 all up. Okay, now it's time to start making our triangles. So I'll grab a spoonful of the prawn mixture and we'll place it at the base of the phyllo strip. And now all we do is fold it on itself to one corner, then to the next corner, and then just continually do this to encase our delicious prawn mixture. And keep folding all the way to the end, and then to seal this off, some extra butter on that little corner, fold it over, and then brush it with some extra butter so it goes golden in the oven. Now I've preheated my oven to 180 degrees, and these are going to cook for about 30 minutes or until they're golden brown. Okay, these triangles have come out of the oven. I'm very happy with them. They're golden, they've puffed up nicely, and I've let them cool for about 10 minutes before serving them because they will be piping hot, and some sweet chili sauce on the side so we can dip our Thai prawn triangles in. Now I want to cut into one of these little triangles. Oh, listen to that flaky phyllo. So good. Perfect. All right. Of course, I should have a taste. They are so delicious. Like I said at the beginning, fish cakes are delicious as is. Wrap it in phyllo, even better.